Usho futhi ngirasesport nesho shazingonithathe ngibuka le video yale insizwa yokufika laphana isho nje ngepride ukuthi hayi inengane ezimbili kuleli izwe leli but hayi iyahamba laba ababacoshayo shuthi ibona sebiyosala nalezi ngane yona iyahamba futhi ke enonkosikazi. I was like, what damn. But I think lento kumele kube ibifundo kosisi bethu ukuthi yeah, I mean, tell it at your own risk because we're seeing right now, they say they are calling. Oh, malume bo sala ba bonti bedajan. Easy like that. But so mungi ngoba ngiyabazi ukuthi anganava bephendula bazothi iyafana nje nani nje bakulady ne sadisa ne shit, there's no difference. Awubalekela lento, okay, it's fine then. So it's better ukuthi ungakwazi kuba kangani ungazi lutho in that case, but I know Elgin.
Yeah, sure. So
kuye Malawi.
Yeah, I'm going to back Malawi.
Manje njengoba la eSherwood Hall nawe umunye wabakhishwe ngenduku le Brentwood swahambanga.
Yeah, because I was still at the Hammaster there. So the guys there said that no, just go back to our home. So now I don't have a choice. I go home.
Oh.
So.
Maye usune ngale ngaki bafula eSouth Africa.
I think that was 2015.
Cha sengisholo ingane onazo zingane.
2.
Oyizayo oyitholela eSouth Africa.
Yes.
Okusho ukuthi baqinisile amazulu mengabe bethi nina nithatha intombi zawo. Nomsebenzi.
I say joking. I say joking.
Naku nje uyasho ukuthi una 2 nje ingane.
Yeah, I have got 2. But sorry? Hammaster. So I just leave it. Me, I'm going home.
They also support somebody you are stay.
No, I don't have a time because
you don't care.
Yeah, I don't care because the brothers say that no, go. So how can I take the? I don't have a time. Yes, I have. Yes, I have. One. Yeah.
Mayeleze la eSouth Africa ingane awusenandaba.
Yeah, no.
Sebo zodla bona la bathambala.
Bye.
Noma lombazi. Oh.
Ima uthe ufike ngelibhodi
2015.
Baleka razi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uyiphilisa kanjani la eSouth Africa?
South Africa is right.
Yeah.
And the life of South Africa is right. Yes. I was sewing a duvet and the pillows. Yeah. Yeah. No. Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
Manje njengoba uhamba bafo uzofika kwenza amaphepha ngithi ngale bese uyabuza.
Yeah.
Uzobuza ngale.
Yeah.
Manje uzobusubuyela kuzona ingane zakhe yama-state.
Yeah.
Amaphepha wona unawo right?
Yeah, but right now I'm going to fix my passport and the papers then I can.
You don't have a passport?
I have, but it's overstay.
Overstay.
Yeah, it's
okay.
Overstay.
Kwakuye isikhathi esinganani?
30 days.
30 days.
Yeah. Since 2015?
Yeah.
Hayi bafuna sondela
Department of Home Affairs abalandeleli mangabaso ngenela South Africa. Must overstay.
Yeah, so if the passport is overstay, which means you are breaking the law.
Yeah. Oh, you understand that you are breaking the law.
I know.
It's okay.
You
want to go home because you know that you are wrong.
Yeah. Sure. Thank you.